All right, language explorers. Let's look at this Saturday's phrasal verbs. So back up, yeah, to give help and assistance to someone. Yeah, I will back him up. We will be his backup. We'll be his backup. We're there to help at the right time. The backup. Yeah. How cool is that? So, I will back them up. Yeah. Yeah, he needs help. And I will back up his story. He says something and I'll back it up. It's true, I'll say. They want me to back them up. Yeah. See, those people want me to help them. They want me to help them. I will back them up. Back them all up. How cool is that? I knew how to back them up. It will back up. Back her up. I will make a back up just in case. This thing can back me up. Yeah. She wants to back me up and help the cause. Yeah. How cool is that? She's backing me up. She's backing me up with help. Yeah, she's backing me up. She's backing me up with all these books and her brain, her mind, her intellect. Yeah. Yeah. She's backing me up with her intelligence. Yeah. How cool is that? They will back them up soon. Yes. We need help. So they will back us up. Back us up now. Yeah. I have called for backup. I've called for backup and help should arrive. Help should arrive. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Backup. Yeah. I will back you up and teach you more lessons. They will back you up. This will back me up. It'll help me out. You know, the drink, the tea. How cool is that? So, back up. Help and assist someone. Now, can you write it in a sentence? Can you put it in the comments below? And like the video. Subscribe. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram when you look for Adrian, English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too when you look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.